Hello guys, I'm Andres from Wise Workflows. Welcome to another video. I'm sorry in advance for the lower video and audio quality, but I am traveling right now and I don't have my usual recording equipment with me. So anyways, I wanted to make a quick video about how to deal with a common issue many of us are facing when trying to create custom GPTs that use actions, specifically actions that need authentication. And I'm talking about the dreaded error-saving draft issue. So, as I have said, most of us are facing it when we try to add some sort of authentication to our GPT. In this case, for testing purposes, I have selected a custom GPT that basically uses Pexels API to suggest videos based on a query. As you can see, it's a very simple one. I had made it just for testing purposes. Let's try to go to my schema. So an important aspect here is that you need to make sure that your schema is correct. Otherwise, you will face some sort of issue. So if you have ruled out that your schema is spot on and your API key is correct, you can be pretty sure that you are dealing with the error-saving draft issue that most of us are facing. And this has nothing to do with your API key or schema. It is basically a bug on OpenAI's side. So as you can see right now, quick clarification, I am using a laptop and connected via Wi-Fi. But as you can see, I did manage to add my API key. In this case, Pexels use header authorization. So I did add it to my custom header. So yeah, you can confirm that the API key has been saved. But even though I try to do it again using my laptop on a Wi-Fi connection, I keep getting the same error-saving draft issue. So how I did manage to solve it, I set my custom GPT up to the point of my API key. So in other words, I set up the description, I set up the schema, and when I had to go and add my API key and my authentication, I did so by using my mobile connection. So yep, I grabbed my Samsung Ultra 23. I navigated to chatopenai.com. I opened my custom GPT. I went to edit, and in that screen, I simply added my authentication, and I managed to do it without any issues. I did not get the error-saving draft. So yeah, that is basically it. Let's test it out quickly to make sure this works. Let's say, please suggest me a few videos on the topic meditation. So a quick clarification here: if your authorization was not working, you would receive usually a debug response. I'm sorry for that. Mentioning that you were facing some sort of an authorization issue. But as you can see here, the custom GPT managed to talk to Pexels via API and is suggesting videos right now. So yeah, this is basically the way I managed to solve it. I did read about some people managing to solve this issue using a VPN, but the problem there is that you do have to pay for a VPN, at least for a quality one. So that would mean incurring in additional cost that that is not needed if you do have a cell phone with mobile connection. So yeah, that pretty much sums up the way I solve this issue. Once you set up your custom GPT and add authentication using a mobile connection, you are pretty much ready to go. And your custom GPT should work perfectly using a laptop in a regular Wi-Fi connection. So yeah, this is pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, let me read you guys below. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.